Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about how to make a basic part modeling in Creo Parametric. So here left side we have a 3D part model. So we will make a practice how to make this model in Creo Parametric. So first here top side you can see we have some toolbars. Select new. So here you can see you have part assembly, manufacturing, drawing, format. So first thing, to make a 3D model you should enter into a part and then solid. If you are making a sheet metal model, means at that time you should click sheet metal. So now we are going to make a part model, simple part model. So you should select part and then solid. So if you need to give any name for this model, means you can give your name here. So always remove this default template. Don't use the default template. You remove the default template and then click OK. So here you can select your templates, whether you need to do in inches or like that, you can select here. So I am going to select here as part solid. We are going to use metric units. So once you open the part modeling window, this will be the window appears in front of you. So here you have axis, point, planes. We will select this all. So here are three type of planes: right plane, top plane, and then front plane. So these are the shapes for making a 3D part model, and these are the tools to modify our 3D part model. So we can make a hole, we can make a round chamfer like this. So for making this basic 3D model, at first you can see here, at first we need to make this base rectangle for 60 into 100 mm. So for this we will use the top plane here. You can select directly, you can select the top plane and you can enter into the sketch option. So here we will use center rectangle. In rectangle we have four types: corner rectangle, slanted rectangle, center, and parallelogram. We will select the center rectangle here. So select the midpoint of the axis, drag your cursor to any one corner position. Okay, so now we will give a dimension as 100 into 60. So we have draw our basic rectangle sketch feature and then press here OK to exit the sketch command. So rectangle, we have created a rectangle. To extrude this we need to use the extrude option. So select your sketch and then click extrude option. So here we have for 16 mm they have extruded. So here we will give value as 16, 16 and then enter. So this will be our base for our 3D model. Okay. So next thing, here you can see we have a extrude cut option here. We can use the extrude cut option to make this one. So directly we can enter into the extrude option, click on extrude and select the top face here. So here you can see they have made for radius 15, they have making a circle here. So we will take circle option. So diameter 30. They have given the length, they have given 33 mm. From this corner edge they have given the 33 mm. So we will choose here normal option to give the dimensions. Select the circle, select the corner face, corner edge of this first feature, and then press call button outside here. So we will give 33 here the dimension. Okay. So and then we need to join these edges to here. So take line, make a vertical line here. So opposite corner also we will then make the line and we will join these both corners here. Okay. So now we need to trim the unwanted sketches here. So for that purpose we will use a trim option. We have delete segment option. Okay. So after creating your sketch, press OK. So here you can see we got a extrude feature. So we will flip this face here, and then we need to press cut option, I mean remove material option. Then we are going to make our second feature here. So again we will select extrude option, select the topmost face of the first feature. So again same thing we have here for a rectangle which has been extruded here for 20 into 40 mm. So we will take a corner rectangle. We will give the dimension here 20 mm and 40 mm here. Okay. So and from this corner edge to this 10 mm. So again you can see here from this corner edge to this edge they have given 68 mm. Okay, so our sketch is ready now as per the dimensions given in the drawing. So again we will make extrude this one. So here they have extruded it for 34 mm length. So we will give here 3, 4 and then okay. So again here we need to make one more extrude and we need to make extrude cut here. So here you can see they for radius 12 they have make a circle and they have make extrude cut option. So again we need to click on extrude and select this face. So here we have center line. So we will make here a circle. So diameter 24. And then exit sketch. So we will flip the side of the extrude feature. So and then we need to select the remove material option and then press OK. We have completed our 3D modeling feature as per the drawing. So if you no need these planes and this axis means you can remove here. You can directly unselect here.